He just buys stuff we don't need.
She buys all this makeup and fancy clothes.
Mistake 1. Not setting personal limits. Skipping conversations about spending is a recipe for conflict. When one partner overspends without consulting the other, it breeds resentment. The fix: set a personal monthly limit.
So I can spend that on my favorite stuff without asking?
And I can buy some dresses without feeling guilty?
Yep, and anything over that amount gets discussed together. Mistake 2. Spending what you earn. Got a raise? Great, but too many just spend it all. If you get a raise or unexpected cash, try saving some or all of it.
So we could have saved some of that big Christmas bonus instead of replacing all our furniture?
Yes, invest extra income into a high-interest saving account or shared goals like a home or retirement. Mistake 3. Splurging without budgeting. Impulse buys feel good in the moment, but can wreck your budget. Create a fun money category in your budget so you can splurge guilt-free while staying on track financially.
So we might put aside some each week in a separate bank account for fun spending?
Yes.
Great, so I can still buy that new lounge.
Mistake 4. Ignoring small, frequent expenses. Daily coffees and takeout add up fast. These invisible expenses can drain your finances without you noticing. Track small purchases for a month.
I noticed last month you seemed to spend a lot on lunches.
I did. Perhaps I can take lunch most days and buy it once a week.
Mistake 5. Not agreeing on big purchases. Cars, vacations, or furniture. Big-ticket items can cause big fights.
Yeah, I want a jet ski.
Well, you can just wait because I want my new laundry.
Avoid this by researching and deciding together. This gives each of you a chance to see the other person's viewpoint and prioritize, and sleep on major decisions to ensure you're both comfortable with the expense. Mistake 6. Hiding spending from your partner. Financial secrets destroy trust. Whether it's hidden shopping or credit card debt, transparency is key. Share all financial details and work together to build or rebuild trust. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate it.